Bees are just the most fascinating insects and are so very important to agriculture. Taking pollen from flower to flower, bees energize growth, powering up to nearly 35% of global food production. As you know, bees also make delicious honey and sumptuous wax that can be used in a variety of products. Meanwhile, beekeeping is becoming a more popular industry across the U.S. and especially here in Minnesota. So we are delighted to be at Ames Farms today in Delano, Minnesota, where they raise bees in more than 1,200 hives that produce the golden brown honey that you can use in tea, baked goods, and so many other recipes. But there are other products that are made from beeswax to create safe, environmentally friendly, non-toxic products that you can use. Brian Fredrickson has been running Ames Farms since 1994, and he loves nothing more than to share his knowledge on beekeeping with visitors on his beautiful farm.
I like raising bees and keeping bees because it's an interesting interaction between the environment, landowners, and customers that buy our honey. We make two products actually, beeswax candles and beeswax food wraps.
Not only can you buy environmentally friendly candles, but products derived from bees are also healthy for you.
Single source honey is unique to Ames Farm. It's something I came up with in the late 90s, and it's honey produced in one hive, in one location, in one time period. So we like to sell honey that's as close to what the bees are making rather than combining all these different sort of entities into one big crop.
If you'd like to learn more about beekeeping or to find beekeepers in your area, go to minnesotagrown.com for more information.